Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, December 17th, 2020. Please stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today for breakfast we have cinnamon rolls and fruit. For lunch we have pulled pork or pork patty. Tomorrow for breakfast, pancakes and sausage, and for lunch we'll have pizza. Our birthdays for today and tomorrow are Sandra Teacom is today, and China Nolan is today, and tomorrow we have Brooklyn Jackson. The birthdays for the rest of December are Elena Booker, Kinley North, Miracle Mims, Ayanna Fields, Isaiah Figures, Haley Mitchell, Yu Lee, Will Weaver, Mayar Haifa, Kinsley Holly, Carson Smith, Tamaya Harris, Titus Shin, Braylon Thurman, Harold Jefferson, Kylie Reed, Kalia Reed, Salwa Defala, Joari Vega, and my birthday twin, Skylar Stokes. And also, Miss Gibbs is having a birthday at the end of the month on December 31st. So happy birthday to all of us birthday folks. Important dates. Today is Feel Good Friday. Tomorrow is Feel Good Friday on December 18th. We have class celebrations at 1:30 and Pajama Day. A couple of announcements for the teachers. All library books need to be returned today. Please place them in your bucket outside your room, and Miss Smith will collect them in the morning. That is all for today's news. There will not be morning announcements tomorrow, so have a thankful Thursday, have a fabulous Friday, and have a wonderful Christmas break, Kate Shepherd.